Welcome to Python Turtle Graphics Tutorials. This is our video number 15, and in this video we will see that how to create this design using looping triangles in Python. So first of all, we will import our turtle module and we will specify the speed with which the turtle will draw the design. Turtle.speed. Here we will pass 0 means the maximum speed with which the turtle will draw the design. Next, we will specify the background color of our screen, which is black, and the pen color, which is magenta. We will also specify the pen size, means the thickness of the pen, which is 2. Next, we will create a function to draw the triangle. And we will specify our angle turtle.left 60, means angle in anti-clockwise direction, and the distance turtle.forward, which is 250. These two lines are to draw the first side. Now to draw the second side, we will write turtle.right, means angle in clockwise direction, which is 125, and distance, which is turtle.forward 230. Now to draw the third side, we will again specify our angle turtle.right, which is 115, and turtle.forward means the distance, which is 200. Note that this function is just to create a triangle. Now to draw the design, we will create a for loop for I in range 42. In this for loop, we will call our triangle function and we will specify the angle, which is turtle.left 69. Left means angle in anti-clockwise direction. Now in that, we will write turtle.done to pause our screen when our application will run. Now we will execute our code. So our design using looping triangles has been created. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel.